Okay, where we are. So before I say anything, you can see in the minutes that are in front of you that upholstery is done, and you can see how it's done bit by bit without narration. So I hope you enjoy, and after that I'll tell you what's next. So you saw how that looks like: carpets, dashboard, wheel, signals, wiring, seats, all that silly bits, mirrors, sun protection covers or whatever. It was painful, right? So Anglia is almost ready for a paint job. This primer is pretty much old and it's mature, and our job is now, we had to put the doors on the car to line up everything. And we're going to prepare the car. That's what I'm doing now, taping inside to protect the dust to go in. And now we're going to start to prepare the car for paint. She's going to have white line here. The roof is white and the rest of the body is a blue. This white line is a workshop's signature on this car. Not because it's a signature, because it's very hard to be done. And it's very similar to, I don't want to overreact or pump the thing, but it's very similar to pinstripe on Rolls-Royce, because this line and this line has to be sharp as a Japanese knife. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay with us. Soon she's gonna go outside, full throttle. Thank you.